Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Amit Verma. Today we are going to dive in something super exciting. We will build an AI-powered image search app using Azure AI Search and Azure AI Vision, all without writing a single line of a code. You will learn how to make Azure automatically understand what inside an image, generate text, caption, and make it searchable using AI. Let's start it. First, log into Azure Portal with your free account. I'll already create an storage account to store an image, and now I'll going to create Azure AI Search Service. I'll hit on Azure button, create resource button, search for Azure AI Search. Click on this create button. On it, I'll write a name, image, demo, East. Uh, my resource group in East US, and that's why I'm selecting East US, and I'll change the tier from basic. I'll select it basics and review and create. It take a couple of minutes. Once done, we click go to that resource group. Now post is validating. Now it's creating that resource. No, this is image is created, demo is created. Now we upload some images. Go to our container where we upload image. Click on container. Click on upload. Browse. I'll upload this three images uploaded. I'll upload two more images. I'll upload two car images. I'll upload a total five images and go back to our resource group, RG, and go to the service we are created. In this, we will connect our image to Azure AI search and use cognitive skill to extract image information. We'll click on import data, and currently the data source is blob storage. Select blob and write AVBLB blob AV images. Any of the name. Select our container cell. Click on this, and now we're going to add cognitive skills. Under the attach AI service, we choose a free limited enrichment, and we can next we add on enrichments, add enrichment and enable OCR, and select all text into merge content, and select generative text from images and generate captions from images. And now click on the next button. The generate tags and generate captions. This will create keywords like car, dog, or mountains. And generate caption. This will give simple sentence describing the images. Now in this, uh, we create index and indexers. Now Azure automatically extract field, just make all them retrievable and searchable. The indexer will now click on next and create indexer and submit this. The indexer will start running and wait until it finishes the first run. You can check the progress under the indexer. Now it succeeded. Go to indexes. We can go from the overview also. Click on overview. Click on search explorer. We start and search. From this, we have five type of images: one, two, three, four, five, and five different tags and captions. From first one, it's showing tags cat sitting indoor, domesticate, and the small kitten. Text caption are the small kitten with blue eyes. And third one, it shows car, ground, outdoor, dirt, and a white car driving on dirt road with a large explosion behind, as is described as per our image. And one more image, grass, indoor, dry, domestic, a baby giraffe sitting on rudge. And the fourth image, it's showing the outdoor tree, black, a couple of a monkey, and also there is a tag, a western gorilla and mountain gorilla. As per our image, they showing a right detail. Here, one more image. This is the outdoor sky, mountain, ground, grass, dirt, a white truck on a dirt road. And the truck is auto off-road vehicle and the SUV. Uh, and that's it. You just build a searchable AI solution without writing a simple line of code. With the Azure AI and Vision, you can build a smarter search engine, media library, or even e-commerce app that understand what inside an image. Next, you can try adding custom skill like face detection, object detection, and text translation. If you find this video helpful, please hit a like button, subscribe, and comment below. This is Amit Verma. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in next AI tutorial. Thank you.